Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely unlink Google Play account from eFootball. It's really simple and easy. So I will show you some steps. What you have to do is first of all just open up your Play Store. You can do this same procedure on your PC or laptop as well. After that, you have to uninstall the eFootball application from your mobile. Once you have it uninstalled, what you have to do is you have to tap on this apps. Let's say you don't want this particular account that I am sign in or my particular account that I am sign in with to be associated with that application, or you want to separate this account. So just simply tap on this apps here. When you have a eFootball installed, I'm just going to tap on my profile picture and click on this payment and subscriptions, and you will go for this subscriptions, and you will see here the eFootball or any other application you have taken the subscription of. What you have to do is you have to just simply tap on it, and when you find there eFootball or any other application you want to unlink, just unlink and separate your account, and that's pretty much it. So that's how to safely unlink Google Play account from eFootball. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.